Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install the real IPTV Smarters Pro, okay, like this. So I will enter and let it up, okay. I will remove it. And here to install this app, just go to the App Store, okay, click on search and party layer IPT Story IPT. Okay, Smarters. Smarters. And here when you write IPTV Smarters, just scroll down, okay, and you will find this app Smarters player need, okay, so it's do your app original. Just click on it. You can verify also with guest pictures here, your description. Click here in install, then open the app. Here you must click on next send code, okay, and accept policy. And here you need subscription. I will give you my provider. It's trusted provider. You could, so she's barricaded subscription from the website, and you would, it is from the WhatsApp or the Nimeg, okay. So any main is a main possible, and the okay, you would you can find everything in the websites. Thank you for watching and see you in this video.